Hello, welcome to Steve McDonald's Arts and Crafts. So as promised, I said I would do a video of my Christmas tree, and my little doggies are running around as well. So all the decorations on the tree I made. Those I made out of copper foiling and glass. Those ones you've seen on my videos. These ones you haven't seen, I made these with alcohol ink, the baubles. And I didn't make the tinsel, obviously. There's another one of my baubles, I think you did see that. There's one of the ones that come out of the cookie cutters. I carved that star out of wood. Again, there's another, hello Lily. There's a dog. There's another one I made with alcohol ink as well. Another one there. And another one there. You want to be involved in the Christmas tree? Yeah, whoa. There's the Santa Claus where I cast my own mould. And again, there's a bell. Where's the bell gone? There's the bell that I made out of the cookie cutters. They look really good on the tree. And there's another Father Christmas. Little drop things that I made. And there's another star that I carved by hand out of wood. And there's the mitten, all glittery and shiny. So all the decorations apart from the Christmas crackers on the tree I made. Let's see if we can get a better view. It's not a big tree, it's not a massive tree, and I've still got some more drying on all the wooden ones. And then we can go to the little carved ornaments I made. I did all these little carved ornaments, including the pine cone, the Father Christmas and the snowman. I carved them all by hand as well. And then we're going along, and there's the little nativity scene, or the little house scene that I did as well. It's got some electric candles behind it, so they twinkle as well. And again, come on Father Christmas, you should be that way around. I carved those all by hand as well, and I quite enjoy the carving. I love the carving, although it does take some time, but you get some good results with it. And there's everything that I made. So thank you very much for supporting me all year. I really appreciate it. I've got to 1,040 subscribers now, so thank you very much. Thank you for my lovely subscriber Dolls, who sent me the most beautiful ostrich egg, and I'm going to be carving that, filling it with resin and carving it, and then putting a light underneath it in the new year to see how that comes out. I just want to say a big thank you. You are a great bunch of people. I love chatting to you in the comments. I love the comments that you make as well. It really just makes this all worthwhile. I'm not doing this for any other reason other than to really share what I know, share what I don't know, share the good, share the bad, and help everybody that wants to be in resin. I do love this one. I think that's lovely. And that was very easy to make, and again you can see that on my videos. So if I don't upload another video before Christmas, which I probably will, because there'll probably be one on Sunday, have a fabulous Christmas, a fabulous New Year, and thank you again for everybody for giving me the great support. Bye. And just to add to this as well, all these boxes and all those ones wrapped up there are all art and craft supplies of one sort or another. So everything that's in these boxes is art and craft supplies. I'll be doing some new arts and crafts in the new year, and before the new year as well, because as you can see, those are my birthday ones, because it's my birthday on the 15th of December. And I always get lots of crafty stuff and lots of crafty stuff for Christmas as well. So thank you very much. Bye.